Understanding, be on the same page, a guide to effective communication. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very popular English phrase, be on the same page. This expression is widely used in both personal and professional settings, and understanding its meaning and usage can significantly enhance your communication skills. So, let's explore what it means to be on the same page with someone and how you can use this expression effectively in your daily conversations. The phrase, be on the same page, is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that two or more people agree on something, have a shared understanding or perspective, or an agreement about what is being discussed or planned. It emphasizes harmony and consensus in thoughts, plans, or attitudes among the individuals involved. While the exact origin of the phrase is not clear, it is believed to have come from the practice of ensuring that everyone in a group is looking at the same page of a book, document, or musical score during discussions, rehearsals, or meetings. This literal action ensures everyone has the same information and understands it in a similar way, thereby fostering a metaphorical understanding of being in agreement or having a shared perspective. 1. In meetings, before we conclude, let's make sure we're all on the same page regarding the project deadlines. 2. In personal relationships, it's crucial for us to be on the same page about our future plans. 3. In collaborations, we need to be on the same page about the design concept to move forward. Using this phrase can help clarify misunderstandings and ensure that everyone involved has a common understanding of the situation or task at hand. Workplace. After a long discussion, the team finally was on the same page about the marketing strategy. Education. The teacher and students need to be on the same page regarding the syllabus and expectations. Personal. It's important for roommates to be on the same page about household chores and responsibilities. Understanding and using the phrase, be on the same page, can greatly enhance your ability to communicate effectively in English. It's a versatile expression that can be applied in various contexts to ensure clarity, agreement, and mutual understanding. We hope this video has helped you grasp its meaning and usage. Don't forget to practice using it in your own conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content in the future.